Okay, guys. So, hello. We have Prerna with us, and he has recently cleared an interview with L&T Finance as an assistant manager, but working as a data scientist. Welcome, Prerna.
Thank you.
Very amazing news to hear. Because we just spoke. I got to know about your background. And from which background you have actually come and cleared the interview. That is a recommendable job. In short. So, would you like to introduce yourself with our audience? From what schooling, like what did you do in your 11th and 12th, and then from which background you are actually coming? This is just to motivate people that yes, anybody can become a data scientist in short. So, yes, Prerna, you can go ahead.
Sure. Thank you, sir. So I am Prerna Nichani. I'm basically located in Mumbai. I completed my education for junior college in commerce, and after which I did my graduation in BSc IT, where I was never a technical student. I would say I was more into management skills, organizing inter-college competitions, getting into helping people get into competitions and everything. So never a technical student. The only thing I would say I learned in 3 years of my BSc IT education was SQL. So I was very much good into SQL in these 3 years. So after my graduation, I got placed in Capgemini. That was a campus placement. And luckily in Capgemini also, I had a project where SQL was played a major role there. But somehow, after 8 months of working on the project, I felt that SQL is not just enough to stay in the market. As the IT is growing day by day, so you also need to upgrade yourself. So while traveling back home from my office, I heard a word called data science. So that word at that point of time really fascinated me. That what is data science about? So I came home and did some research. What is it about? How does it work, where is it used, and everything. So after that I found it a little interesting and decided to get into this. I did found some offline courses for this to get into data science basically, but then found that the course fees that is charged is quite high. So at that point of time, being a fresher, I did not feel investing such a large amount into any of the courses, since I was also not sure that I really need to get into data science or no, and whether it's a field for me because I was never into technicals.
Yeah. So the main thing that you said that you were not good at maths, right, at that point of
Yes.
time. So, like now, how did you come to know about Ineuron, and what led you to join the course? And yes, tell us about the Ineuron course content also, whether it was helpful for you or not.
Sure. So then, for initially, I came through across one of your videos on YouTube for machine learning.
Mm-hmm.
So that at that point of time, your machine learning playlist had some 86 videos, and deep learning playlist had 30 videos.
Mm-hmm.
So since we were all locked down during March month, so I decided that let's give this a shot and complete all these videos within 1 month of time and practicing it every day.
Amazing. Yeah.
So I used to almost practice 6 to 7 hours a day after watching your videos. So yes, after which I connected to you on your LinkedIn profile, where I came to know about Ineuron course.
Mm-hmm.
So then I had got in touch with one of your colleagues in Ineuron. So they had asked me to join the course. So then I did ask them for the syllabus and everything. So then I did check the syllabus online, that what other institutes are providing. So I found that the syllabus that you are providing is more than enough. If I have to combine 2 institutes or 3 institutes also, I found your institute best. And at the price that you are providing, I don't think any other AI institute would provide at such a price. And yeah, so looking at your videos on YouTube, I was very sure that the step that I am taking to get into iNeuron can never hit me back. So I decided that let's take a shot and get into iNeuron. So because of your getting into iNeuron, I was able to crack this interview and get a job after, I would say, 1 year and 8 months of learning machine learning and data
Okay.
science.
So, when did you join the course in short?
Sir, I joined the course in October.
October. Okay. So you joined the course in this year October, last year October, sorry.
This year, October, sir.
This
So
year.
I joined the DLCV NLP course,
Uh-huh.
where during the interview of my where I will be joining in January, I was asked deep learning concepts. So
Mhm.
we had that point of time we did complete some deep learning concepts in ANN.
Okay.
So the confidence at which I was able to answer the concepts of ANN, even the interviewer was amazed that since you have only completed 2 months into the course and you are able to answer my all my questions of ANN.
Okay.
So and
Did they
even
ask did
yes
they
sir.
ask you about the course also over there? Like
Uh, they did ask me that how did you study, from where did you study and everything. So I just told that yes, I did enroll for a course and I also am undergoing the course. So I
okay.
expected to complete the course by February. So before joining the institute, I will be all prepared into DL and NLP.
Amazing. Amazing, amazing. This is amazing itself, you know. Now just tell us about the interview questions that they had actually asked you in the interview itself with respect to
Sure.
various topics, some of the important topics, or how did your interview go step by step? You can tell about that.
So it was a 3 hour long interview.
3 hours.
It started with Python, where I was told to take a book and pen
Okay.
and write syntaxes for dictionaries, for tuples, and how do I extract dictionaries, how do I do indexing there.
Okay.
And also, I was told to write list comprehensions there. How do we do that?
Okay.
So after which we moved to machine learning concepts, where I was asked about some statistics like z-score. How do we deal with outliers? How do we deal with missing values? So all these questions were asked to me, and also they asked me to write syntax for what an analysis basically I would do there in order to extract some information. Then we moved to machine learning basics, where I was asked what are the basics of machine learning, about various algorithms, supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So basically, it was more about basics and how my fundamentals are strong there. So the machine learning interview got done almost in an hour or more, 1.5 hours. After which we moved to deep learning, where I was asked about back propagation, how the optimizers work, how the loss function works, how the weight updation takes place, and everything. After which it got concluded.
As far as I remember, I think I have uploaded every videos in this, right?
Yes, sir. So your video only helped me to crack this interview. I mean, I got rejected many a times for the interviews.
Okay.
So at some point of time, for some days, I really had lost hope that no, data science is not for commerce students. No commerce student can do data science. But then I made sure that no, I have come such a long way. Let's not give up. Let's brush up our skills. So iNeural helped me to do that, and I finally landed getting a good job.
Amazing, amazing. Congratulations again, Prerna. We are really happy because the background that you're coming from, you know, because there are many people, you know, who have been saying, no, no, people from non-technical background or people who don't know maths can't become a data scientist. So I think you have given them an example to them, and yes, a confidence booster that you have given. Okay, tell us more about you know, the type of content that we have put in iNeuron. Was that sufficient to cover all the questions that were asked in the interview, or anything?
So it was more than sufficient, I would say.
Okay.
At some point of time, I knew what next question was going to come to me, because I was so much prepared with the live classes that we have, the doubt clearing sessions that we have. And I made sure also I did some practice from my end also. So I was so much prepared for the next questions that even if he asked me this question, yes, I am prepared for it. So iNeuron helped me do that. The course contents that is there, it's from with the very scratch to the advanced level. So I would say I didn't do even to write a Python syntax. So but then since initially we had a prerequisite for the Python to be done, so I also did the Python prerequisite that was there. So I was able to write all the syntaxes that was given to me during the interview, and I was told to write. So we
Um,
cover from the way we have the curriculum from the scratch to the advanced is more than enough to get into this field and grow. We have everything that has come up in the market recently. We don't miss any point, which is truly amazing. I don't see any such institute which covers everything there. So Ineuron, I would say, is the best institute. In fact, seeing me, many of my friends ask me, how did you crack such an interview? So I would only give one answer: please go and enroll for Ineuron. That's it. And honestly, many of my friends are a part of machine learning course that is going on.
Amazing, amazing. So, Prerna, one more thing. How was the support team in iNeuron and all? Because probably you'll be requiring so much of guidance, with respect to any problems that you face, specifically the Skype support team. So, were they handful? Were they able to help you out in times to time?
Yes, sir. So support team, I would say they do amazing work. So I would say one of my scenarios when we started with deep learning batch. So my laptop was basically i5 7th generation, but I was not able to install some of the libraries because it is an old laptop. My parents have been using it from such a long time, so I was not able to install all the libraries. So I had to literally contact the support team the complete day, and without any hesitation they were there to support me at all the times. Even we did screen sharing multiple times. Even they used to write and give me the I would say the libraries that have to be installed, the steps, the documentation. So the work they do, I think no other people, and the patience that they have, even if I used to ask a question 100 times, I got the answer without any hesitation or seeing any frustration that same question has been answered. So you guys have an amazing support team there to help us all
So,
the time.
so remember that the support team who are sitting over there, right? They are also data scientists.
Yes,
So in the back end, so everybody over there, and probably I think that's very much thankful to you, to cheer them up also, because they are also doing an amazing job,
amazing job. Yes, sir.
because there are many people whom they do that live Skype support, whenever you're asking a question, and then you're getting the support. That is the newest thing that have come up in iNeuron.
Yes, sir. And
Okay.
the patience that they have, I don't think anybody can handle, because I think many people face this issue, and people with who are in my batch also had so many issues for the installations in their laptops. So support team were always there to support them and help them get done easily and quickly. I would say not taking so much time and I'm not wasting their time also to get to Google search and do everything. So it was done instantly within fraction of minutes, I would say.
And do you want to say something about your instructor Sudhanshu Kumar? Like how was his teaching and all?
Sir, I would say Sudhanshu sir and Krish sir, you both make sure that every student in your batch gets concepts very much clear. Even if we ask questions during the doubt clearing session 10 times, you guys make sure that we have those answers and get it clear at that point of time. Even if some point of time we face some technical issues or writing the codes, you guys get a screen share and resolve our doubts, which is truly amazing and truly commendable on you both guys.
Okay, amazing, amazing, Prerna. Thank you for this amazing feedback. And do you want to say anything for those people who are preparing for data science? The path that you have followed. What should they focus on? How should they go ahead in cracking the interviews and achieving the skill that what you have achieved right now?
So I would say just be strong on your basics and never lose hope. Today or tomorrow, your day is surely coming, and keep the dedication on. If you have the dedication on, no one can grab that opportunity from you. It is all yours. So keep the dedication on and do your basics strong. I would say if your basics are strong, you are always going to crack the interview.
Yes, amazingly said, Prerna. Because, guys, I always focus on telling that please make your basics strong, because those are the questions that are regularly asked in interview, as Prerna also said. So that is a life proof she was able to crack. And as she said that, if you don't know, guys, she has failed in 10 to 11 interviews. Then she was able to get this. So think like this, that this is a stepping stone to success. So whatever interview she has failed, she has gained some experience. She knows what questions will be asked and the way how she should be answering that particular question. I think I'm telling it right, Prerna?
Yes, sir. So after getting rejected, I did feel motivated. Oh my God, this is not my field. I should not get into it. But then somehow I felt no. I mean, you cannot be a master in a month. No one can master anything. So to get a master, you need to keep that power on. And I had just one concept in mind that 5 years of hard work now is equal to 50 years of your good life later. So in order to do that, I kept always kept learning, and till date I would say, even if I have a job in hand, I make sure that I learn every day. And the concepts that have been cleared in our weekend batches, I make sure that I practice every day. So practice every day, practice is the key for everything, I would say.
Amazing. So, final anythings about Ineuron that you want to say, or just a final thing? And I would also like to know the ratings between 1 to 10 that you want to give to Ineuron. So, two questions.
Sir, if I had 100 ratings in and I would have given all 100, so it is all 10 on 10. I mean, the way you guys teach, and at such a affordable price, no other institute can ever teach. And the concepts that you guys cover, being it any new thing in the market, you guys make sure, iNeuron team makes sure that it is covered for all the students, and the students that are learning are all affording for the course, which is why and the good thing about iNeuron is we also have the classes recording in our dashboard. So in case if we find that anything is not clear, we can just watch the live lecture, so which is very much amazing. So iNeuron is truly doing a good job there.
Okay. So,
So I would request everybody to,
yeah, sorry. I
so
think,
anybody who's looking out for a change or getting into data science or just thinking that how do I do it, I would say iNeuron is the platform to get into data science.
okay. Thank you, Prerna, for this amazing feedback. We'll keep on working on this affordable AI education stuff, and yes, a lot of successful stories will be coming up, guys, in this channel. So thank you, Prerna, for being with us, spending your 20 minutes with us, which was very much important. And yes, good luck for your upcoming data science role in the company. I hope you grow, you succeed in everything. You are able to solve many things as such. And as again, we are always there. When you're working, also, anytime, any queries that you have, you can definitely contact us, right?
Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Prerna. Thank you. So, guys, this was all from my side. I hope you like this video. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.